Tesla Sentry Mode is a security feature that uses the car's external cameras to monitor its surroundings when parked and locked. It acts as a digital watchdog, recording potential threats and alerting you via the Tesla app. Sentry Mode is now standard on all Tesla models, including Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and Cybertruck, requiring a Tesla account for setup. The system uses AI to distinguish between potential threats like people and animals to reduce false positives. To activate Sentry Mode, navigate to the Safety and Security menu on your Tesla's touchscreen. From there, you can choose On to keep Sentry Mode always active when the vehicle is parked and locked. Select Off to disable it completely, or choose Smart to activate it based on your location or time of day. Keep in mind that Sentry Mode requires your vehicle to be connected to Wi-Fi or cellular for sending alerts and enabling remote viewing. Sentry Mode uses AI algorithms to detect anomalies such as approaching objects or impacts. When triggered, it records 10-second video clips, which are stored locally or in the cloud, and sends push notifications to your Tesla app. It can also activate deterrents like honking the horn or flashing the lights. Battery consumption is typically minimal, about 1 to 2% per hour. To view your Sentry Mode footage, open the Tesla app on your iOS or Android device. Navigate to the Security section and select View Sentry Clips to access recorded footage. With the 2025 update, you can now stream live camera footage directly from the Tesla app. Simply select a camera feed when your vehicle is online, providing real-time monitoring capabilities. All Sentry Mode footage is encrypted for your privacy. You can download clips to your device or share them as needed. However, Tesla retains access to the footage for vehicle diagnostics purposes, unless you opt out of this feature. The in-car touchscreen shows when Sentry Mode is active, providing visual confirmation of the security system's status. You can opt out of Tesla's access to footage for diagnostics, giving you full control over your privacy settings. The V12 software update introduced Live Sentry View, a new feature that allows you to stream live camera footage directly from the Tesla app without needing Sentry Mode to be active. This enables real-time monitoring of your vehicle's surroundings, giving you the ability to check live views anytime through the app interface. You can access interior and exterior camera feeds with controls for honking or flashing lights, providing proactive security monitoring. The feature incorporates AI integrations that improve detection accuracy and reduce false positives through machine learning from user data, making it more reliable over time. Tesla's Sentry Mode now integrates with smart home systems through Tesla's API, enabling cross-device connectivity. This allows Sentry alerts to sync with your home security setup, providing comprehensive monitoring of your vehicle's security status from anywhere in your home. The integration diagram shows how data flows between your Tesla vehicle, the Tesla server, and smart home systems via the internet. This connected ecosystem ensures real-time updates and alerts for enhanced security. As connected vehicles become more common, this cross-device integration represents the future of automotive security, allowing you to monitor your vehicle's status seamlessly alongside your home security systems. Sentry Mode doesn't work while driving. Extreme weather conditions like heavy rain reduce Sentry Mode's detection capabilities. False alarms can occur from wildlife or wind. Ensure cameras are unobstructed for optimal Sentry Mode performance. Remember that regulations in some regions restrict Sentry Mode use due to data privacy laws. Firmware updates in 2025 have addressed false positives, reducing unnecessary alerts by 40%. Looking ahead to the future of Sentry Mode, Tesla plans significant expansions by 2026-2027. One key advancement is biometric integration, including facial recognition for authorized vehicle access. Sentry Mode will also integrate with autonomous driving features, potentially allowing the vehicle to self-defend in parking lots. Analysts predict a 25% adoption increase as cybersecurity threats to electric vehicles continue to rise. These advancements will enhance vehicle security and make Sentry Mode an even more essential feature for Tesla owners.